This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Suppelsa. Less than bedroom greater than Marie Kennedy. Open house Sunday, March 27, noon to 4. Corner unit on the second floor with carport for 1 car and storage. Great open floor plan with 3 bedroom, 2 full baths, screened patio, large foyer, kitchen with pass-through to dining room. 3rd bedroom currently used as office. Since 2020 the unit has had all new LG stainless steel appliances including washer, dryer, and microwave, new AC, new hot water heater, contemporary doors, and all blinds replaced. Freshly painted and newer carpet. This is a must-see. Condo exterior also recently repainted. Roof redone in 2005. Plenty of guest parking. No rent for 2 years. Maintenance $450 per month. And AMP includes water, trash, pest control, landscaping and insurance, pool maintenance, shopping, and post office. Credit score of 675 plus required. No FHA or VA. For more information, review the details below.